name is Prateek and welcome to my course Data Iteration with Ruby. Ruby is a powerful dynamic programming language known for its expressiveness as well as simplicity. It's a language that powers websites like GitHub, Twitter, Shopify, and Hulu. In this course, you are going to learn how data iteration works in Ruby. Some of the major topics that we will cover include blocks, procs and lambdas, modules and mixins, and method overriding. By the end of this course, you will know how to write clean, concise, and flexible code using blocks, mixins, and Ruby's built-in types. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of Ruby syntax like variables, expressions, and conditional statements. I hope you'll join me on this journey on the Data Iteration with Ruby course at Pluralsight.